Have you ever wondered how we went from simple calculators to ChatGPT, self driving cars, and AI agents that can reason and make decisions? The journey of artificial intelligence spans more than 70 years and is filled with breakthroughs, failures, and revolutionary innovations. In this video, we'll explore the complete history of AI in just 10 minutes. Let's begin. The beginning, 1950. The story starts with a British mathematician named Alan Turing. He asked a simple but powerful question: can machines think? To answer this, he proposed the famous Turing Test, a method to determine whether a machine can imitate human conversation well enough to fool a person. Even today, the Turing test remains one of the most discussed concepts in AI interviews. This was the first major milestone in artificial intelligence. 1956, the birth of AI. In 1956, a group of researchers gathered at the Dartmouth Conference in the United States. For the very first time, the term artificial intelligence was officially introduced. The researchers believed that within a few decades, machines would become as intelligent as humans. Although they were overly optimistic, this conference marked the birth of AI as a field of study. 1960s, rule-based systems. Early AI systems didn't learn from data. Instead, they followed predefined rules. For example, if a doctor entered symptoms into the system, the AI would match those symptoms against thousands of manually written rules to suggest possible diseases. These were called expert systems. They worked well in specific situations but failed whenever they encountered something unexpected. 1970s and 1980s, the AI winter. As expectations grew, progress slowed. Computers lacked the processing power and data needed to make AI smarter. Funding decreased, research projects were cancelled, and many people lost confidence in AI. This difficult period became known as the AI winter. Interestingly, AI has experienced more than one AI winter throughout history. 1997, IBM Deep Blue. Everything changed when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. For the first time, a computer beat one of the greatest human players in a game that required strategic thinking. The world realized that machines could solve extremely complex problems. This was a turning point for AI, the rise of machine learning. Instead of programming every rule manually, researchers discovered a better approach. What if computers could learn from data? This idea became machine learning. Rather than telling a computer exactly what to do, developers provided examples and the system learned patterns on its own. Spam filters, recommendation engines, and fraud detection systems are all based on this principle. 2012, the deep learning revolution. A major breakthrough happened in 2012 with a model called AlexNet. Using deep neural networks and powerful GPUs, it dramatically outperformed previous image recognition systems. This event sparked the deep learning revolution. Suddenly, AI became capable of recognizing faces, understanding speech, translating languages, and analyzing medical images with incredible accuracy. Companies around the world began investing heavily in AI research. 2017, Transformers changed everything. In 2017, researchers published a paper titled Attention is All You Need. This introduced the transformer architecture. Unlike previous models, transformers could understand relationships between words much more effectively and process massive amounts of text efficiently. Almost every modern large language model, including ChatGPT, is built on this foundation. Many experts consider this one of the most important AI breakthroughs in history. 2022, the generative AI explosion. Then came ChatGPT. For the first time, millions of people experienced AI that could write essays, answer questions, generate code, summarize documents, and have natural conversations. Generative AI quickly expanded beyond text. Today, AI can create images, videos, music, presentations, voice clones, and even software applications. This changed the way businesses and individuals work forever. Today, the era of AI agents. We are no longer building simple chatbots. Modern AI systems can plan, reason, remember previous interactions, use external tools, browse information, and complete multi step tasks. These are known as AI agents or agentic AI systems. Instead of answering one question at a time, they can work toward goals much like a human assistant. This is where the future of AI is heading. Interview ready answer. If an interviewer asks, what are the major milestones in AI history? You can confidently answer. The history of AI began with Alan Turing's Turing Test in 1950, followed by the Dartmouth Conference in 1956, where the term artificial intelligence was introduced. Rule based expert systems dominated the early years before the AI winter slowed progress. IBM Deep Blue's victory in 1997 demonstrated AI's capabilities, while machine learning and deep learning transformed the field through data driven learning. The transformer architecture introduced in 2017 enabled modern large language models, leading to the generative AI revolution with ChatGPT and today's rise of agentic AI systems. That's a concise and impressive interview answer. Hands on mini project. Let's experience AI history yourself. Open Chat GPT and ask, write a poem about space. Then ask, write Python code to sort a list. Next, ask it to explain quantum physics like you're 10 years old. Notice how one AI system can perform completely different tasks. That's the power of modern generative AI built on decades of research. Career guidance. If you're planning a career in AI, don't start by learning every new tool. Start with the fundamentals. Learn Python, understand artificial intelligence concepts, study machine learning, move to deep learning, then master generative AI and AI agents. Technology changes every year, but strong fundamentals stay valuable forever. Companies hire people who understand concepts, not just tools. Industry trends. Today's biggest investments are in large language models, LLMs, AI copilots, agentic AI, multimodal AI, robotics with AI, enterprise AI automation. Over the next decade, AI is expected to become a core skill across almost every industry, from healthcare and finance to education and software development. Key takeaway: the history of AI is not just about technology, it's a story of continuous learning, experimentation, setbacks, and innovation. From Alan Turing's simple question, can machines think, to AI systems that can write code and solve complex problems, we've come a long way. And the most exciting chapter is being written right now. Welcome to Learn AI with Jay, where we simplify AI, build practical projects, prepare for interviews, and help you become an AI professional one step at a time. Let's continue this journey together.